What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I make my quick oatmeal breakfast, what have you. All right, I use a mason jar. I've already used this jar. I use a creamer. I always say creamer because something wrong with me. I'm using fresh blueberries, of course, quick oats, and milk, people. And milk. Y'all, like, this is the easiest thing I've ever done in my entire life, okay, guys? Take your container. I hope y'all can see everything, because I'm not redoing this video, okay? Now, you can put your oats in first, but I like mixing up my milk and creamer concoction. And if y'all don't want to use creamer because it got too much sugar, y'all can substitute, or if y'all don't want sweetness, but if y'all want sweetness, y'all can add honey, okay? I like my creamer and my milk life, so that is what I chose to use. So I don't have no certain measurements, y'all. I just eye it and pray for the best. Now, I do like my oatmeal sweet, so I try to put as much as creamer in. You can use different flavors, but I mix that up together. Mix it. It ain't that sweet, but you know what? We need to lose some weight, okay? So let's not make it that sweet, because the berries, if they're sweet, they might add some little flavor. So of course I take my berries. Can y'all see me? I don't know what all y'all can see. How about that? And guess what? Regardless of what y'all can see, this is what y'all gonna get. So I get about a handful of berries. Wash them bad boys, y'all. Make sure y'all wash it thoroughly, because why? Y'all want to live, okay? You want to live, okay? I just dropped about a handful of berries up in that bad boy. Boom. Okay. Now, y'all can take a measuring cup, whatever. I don't do all that, because why? I ain't trying to wash all them dishes, okay, people? So I bend this bad boy like that and just pour them tricks in, okay? Now, you pour it in, it's gonna automatically sink, because it's already soaking it up, okay, guys? So I just do that until my oats I feel like there's enough oats up in this bad boy, you know what I'm saying? And sometimes you'll wake up in the morning and it'll be like not enough. Meaning, like, hold up, let me get that straight. Sometimes when you wake up, it's either your oatmeal is too dry because you didn't add enough liquids, or it's too wet because you didn't add enough your oats. But you'll get, with trial and error, it'll become second nature. I still haven't come up with how to properly do it. I'm not going to lie to you guys. But I'd rather it too dry than too wet. Well, that sounds so nasty. But either way, it can be fixed almost instantly. You just add extra. Either extra oats or extra milk. So it's easily fixed, just in case you run into that situation. So I'm going to add just a little bit more. And this is a whole goddamn lot. It might be too much, guys, but treat it. And so, booyah. And that's pretty much it. You see how much oats? I hope you can see how much oats is in there. That's a lot, guys. But I'm trying to, like, eat it throughout the day. Now, you can add more berries, which I probably should have, but we're good. So we're gonna just, once you finish, and you Okay, guys, I was cut off. How rude. But anyway, this is the finished product, guys. And it's just waiting to soak up all that good deliciousness. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next Friday. Deuces.